Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm out with Roxanne. So Roxanne's getting some content for some videos that she's doing, and while I'm out I'm going to get some photos and obviously videos that you'll see throughout this video. But we're at Kew Gardens. If you've never been to Kew Gardens, then I highly recommend you come along because, well, it's pretty sick. It's also fogging up because because it's so cold outside. It's fogging up the camera. Also, sometimes they open up this spiral staircase that allows you to go above the canopy, which looks like it's open. So we get to go all the way up to the top. Wow, look at this, guys, look. This is insane. It's so sick for a photo. Wow. This is like proper sick. So cool. Okay, so the camera's kind of acclimatized now, which is good. Now, the first shot that we were getting was over here. There's a staircase just here. Out free, well done. All of the photos that we're going to get today, we'll look at the end of the video, and I'll show you all of them at the end. But basically, there's this staircase here that we obviously just walked up. This here, got Roxanne stood on there, kind of looking back towards the trees, which looked really cool. Just kind of here. And then the other shot that I got was along this side where Roxanne is, down there. I got Roxanne to go to the other side of the, what do you call this? Greenhouse. I was shooting from this side with the 7200 over this way, over there, and then also the corner, which looked pretty cool. Now the next idea is, I was thinking about having Roxanne down here and maybe getting a shot, like a top-down shot, which might work. I don't know how we're going to do it though, because I think the wide would be too wide.
With a GoPro?
Yeah, maybe.
I think it's easier to hold as well.
Okay, so we've got a couple of different locations that we're going to head to as well. Not just in here. There's a pagoda just down the end. If you don't know what a pagoda is, it's on the screen. But we're going to head there in a minute and go get some content around there. But first, we're going to go and immerse ourselves into the jungle again. It's so cool. It's like up top it's so much hotter than down below because obviously heat rises. If you didn't know, then go back to school. It's so cool. If you ever do come to London, I do highly recommend. I think it's like £13.50 for an adult and £6 or £7 for a kid. Not entirely sure, but it's definitely worth a day out, especially if you're a photographer or videographer. Okay, so we're just heading to the next location, which is towards the pagoda. We've swapped roles. I'm carrying Roxanne's bag, and she's carrying mine. How's it going?
Not? Yeah, good.
Nice and heavy?
Yeah, it's great.
I've got everything in there. So we've got a gimbal, I've got the 7200, 85, drone, 24 to 70, 50mm, her jacket. I thought we'd share the role. Share the role of the shoot, which is obviously very handy to have a camera assistant for once. So hopefully we're going to be doing more travel this year as well, so you guys can see more from both myself and Roxanne instead of just me. What? Oh, that's the treetop walk. That's cool. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so we've come to the next location, which is it's like the, what is this? It's another greenhouse, but it's more of like temperate weather. It's called the Western Octagon. There we go. But it's a really cool situation. Roxanne's going to get some shots of here, maybe walking around here, and we're going to see if we can go up here. I don't know if they're going to let us in this one, but maybe we can get up here to get like a look down shot. But oh, look at the fountain. This is so cool. Look at the fountain. Wait, look at this. Look at the fountain. That's so sick. I don't think Roxanne would be allowed to get in it, but that would be so cool just to go and like get a shot of you in there. That would be cool. Oh, so sick. So open as well. So bright, sorry. Do you prefer this one or do you prefer the other one? Yeah, the other one's more tropical, and like both of us have both said that we want to move somewhere more tropical. Yeah. I think that's on the cards for 2022, is to try and find somewhere we can move to and have us like our base where it's like nice and tropical, because like the UK is great for opportunity, especially in London, but we kind of want to just, I don't know, go and explore more. Like there's so much out there to go and see, and that's why we chose to come to Kew Gardens today, is because like we get to experience different like temperates and climates here in London, which is lovely. So if you do get a chance, then I highly recommend that you should come and visit it. Now, one of the beautiful things about the relationship with Roxanne is we share this common goal, this common dream of creating content and inspiring people. And when you live with someone like that, it just radiates creativity, and it's really special. And the connection that both myself and Roxanne have is something very unique, and I really do enjoy going out and creating content with her. And going forward throughout this year, we're going to be creating more content together. Now, Roxanne has got some plans and stuff that she's going to be doing, and she'll be talking about in the future, and I'll talk about it as well. But that's the content that we're out today shooting. I didn't actually shoot probably 80% of what, I didn't show you guys 80% of what we actually shot, because that's her thing. We were there to shoot something for her, and it was really, yeah, it was amazing to watch her in her like creative space doing her thing, and it was beautiful. Now, while I was talking as well, you saw some of the photos that I took of Roxanne while we were out. Again, the main focus of today was to go out, help Roxanne shoot the content that she needed, and hopefully you guys will get to see that in the future. The photos that I did get, I will post over on Instagram, and also I made a couple of reels while we were there as well, which I'll probably share in the coming days. But if you haven't followed Roxanne already, I'll leave a link to her Instagram down in the description. Head over to her page and go and say hello in the comments. Maybe send her a DM, and I don't know, just say hello. So let's jump into the hashtag and see what you guys have been shooting over the last couple of days. I use the hashtag OpticalWander over on Instagram, where you guys can show me the content that you're creating, and in turn it inspires me to go out and create content as well. Okay, we're going to throw a screen record on, and we're going to go to the most recent and do a little refresh. We're on 284,000 posts by the middle of this year. I'm trying to get it to 500,000, so if you'd like to use the hashtag, that would be amazing. Let's go down and see what catches my eye. I like that shot there. There's like this like haze coming across the image. It's a black and white photo, and I think it was shot on film. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was, and it does look really cool. Going down a bit more, we're going to see if we can find some street stuff, maybe some lifestyle-y content. Let's go with, oh god, there's so many good shots in here. If I go past it, I'm sorry. It's just there's so many good ones. I don't want to just like pick one like just for the sake of picking one. I want to grab one that like this one here. I love it because like there's only one subject in the frame, and it's just, I don't know, it just really popped at me as I was scrolling past it. There's a nice little set here. Great set. Love that. Going down. Let's go with, that's interesting. I like that. You've got like, so you've obviously used Photoshop to get this image, but I really like the creative idea behind it. Especially that second one. That second one is much better than that one. Personal preference. Great shot, great idea, and it's really different. You don't see that every day. So going down, let's go with this. Look at this geezer. Look at this guy. What a vibe. Absolute vibe. Ooh, these are cool. There's this one here, which is nice and simplistic. Really love that. And then we'll do one more. We'll go with, we'll do a scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And we'll go with, oh, there's so much choice. Oh, why can't I, it's so difficult to choose one. Like this one, done. The reflection and the dude, look at him, what a vibe. Absolute vibe. And the reflection, the shadow on the wall is really sick. Now, some of you may have noticed in the photos that I put up earlier on of Roxanne, I changed my editing style slightly for those photos, and I just fancy trying something a little bit different. Let me know in the comments if you like the editing or not. Don't really mind if you do or not. Just good to know. with all that being said, create more, stress less. Got some exciting stuff coming up over the next coming weeks, like super exciting that I can't wait to share with you. And with all that being said, create more, stress less, and I'll see you tomorrow, maybe not, maybe go and have a good one. Go and pick up your camera, go shoot some shit, go and have some fun. Bye.